Get your Payoneer card in your hands faster than ever with expedited shipping. So, you've got your Payoneer account up and running and you're ready to get your physical card, but you need it now. Let's dive into how to order your Payoneer card with a paid or expedited shipping method. First, log into your Payoneer account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for your profile settings or account management section. Usually, this is found by clicking on your name or profile icon in the top right corner. Within your account settings, you'll find an option related to your card. This might be labeled My Cards, Order a Card, or something similar. Click on that to proceed to the card application or ordering page. On this page, you'll typically see the default, standard shipping option for your Payoneer card, which is usually free but can take several weeks now. Here's where you'll find the option to upgrade to expedited shipping. Look for a clear selection or a button that says expedited shipping, express delivery, or similar. Selecting this option will usually present you with a fee. This fee covers the faster delivery service and will be clearly displayed. It's important to review this cost to ensure it fits your needs. You'll then see a breakdown of the total cost, including any applicable shipping and card fees, right before you confirm your order. Confirm your shipping address one last time, ensuring it's accurate for swift delivery. Then, proceed to finalize your order by clicking the confirmation button, which might also prompt a quick payment for the shipping upgrade if it's not automatically deducted from your balance. This expedited service significantly cuts down the delivery time, meaning you can start using your physical Payoneer card to access your funds much sooner. And that's it. With expedited shipping, you're on your way to faster access to your hard-earned money. #Payoneer card #expedited shipping.